The ocean is about to witness one of the most intense fishing races in the world. Every year, thousands of fishermen rush into the deep waters with one goal: catching over 200,000 tons of blue crabs before the season ends. Massive boats, hundreds of traps, and non-stop hard work turn this into a high-stakes race where every minute matters. For these fishermen, blue crabs are more than seafood. They are a multi-million-dollar industry that supports entire coastal communities. From the moment the boats leave the harbor to the second the traps are pulled from the ocean floor, every step is a test of speed, skill, and survival. But how exactly do fishermen catch hundreds of thousands of tons of blue crabs, and how do they turn this ocean harvest into hundreds of millions of dollars? Watch closely as we take you deep inside this incredible race. And before we begin, tell us in the comments, have you ever eaten blue crab? Let's dive into the full process. Once the fishing boats reach the crab grounds, the real work begins. Fishermen start dropping long lines of crab traps, sometimes hundreds of them stretching across the ocean floor. Each trap is carefully baited with fish to attract blue crabs. The scent travels through the water, drawing crabs inside the cages where they become trapped. After several hours, the fishermen return to haul the traps back up. This is where speed matters most. Crews pull the traps quickly, sorting the crabs by size and quality while the boat continues moving. Legal-size crabs are stored in large containers filled with seawater to keep them fresh, while smaller crabs are released back into the ocean to protect future populations. A single boat can pull thousands of traps every day, collecting huge numbers of crabs during peak season. And when dozens of boats are working at the same time, the total catch can quickly reach hundreds of thousands of tons. But the journey of these crabs doesn't end on the boat. The next step is where the real money begins. After returning to shore, the boats unload thousands of freshly caught blue crabs at busy seafood docks. From there, the crabs are sent to processing facilities where they are cleaned, sorted, and prepared for markets around the world. Some become fresh seafood served in restaurants, while others are processed into packaged crab meat sold globally. What started as a dangerous race on the open ocean quickly transforms into a massive seafood business worth hundreds of millions of dollars every year. For the fishermen, every successful season means better income, stronger communities, and another chance to return to the sea for the next big catch. The race to catch blue crabs is not just about fishing, it's about tradition, survival, and the relentless power of the ocean. If you enjoyed seeing how fishermen catch 200,000 tons of blue crabs, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. And tell us below, would you try fresh blue crab seafood? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing factory or ocean harvest story.